This is CC Cycle 1, Week 21 from Exodus 20. This is actually verse 13 and 14 because they're short. They say, do not murder, do not commit adultery. So we are going to do the sign for not. Do not. Okay, and murder is dominant hand in a K hand shape, non-dominant hand flat 5 hand, and the K goes down and past the hand. Do not murder. Do not commit adultery. So same flat hand. Your dominant hand is going to come forward and then like snake behind it like this. Do not commit adultery. Okay? It'll sound like this.
That the Lord is giving you. Do not murder, do not commit adultery.
And that's week 21.